Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Redmi Note 14 5G. For that we will need the settings form. So just tap on the settings app and then you will need the first point here, about phone, or sometimes it is named about device, depends on the region you are. And you will need finally then the OS version number. And you have to tap this OS version number for 7 times. Below you can see already a countdown, and then you are a developer for the phone. Don't worry if you tap more than 7 times, doesn't matter. It just needs at minimum 7 times. Okay, but where are the developer options right now? For that you need to go back one step so that you are back in the general settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point additional settings. Whoop. And here you will find almost at the end the developer options. And now you can do the stuff you wanted to do, maybe to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging, or so much more. If you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable the developer options here on top like that. And this requires a restart. And yeah. But if you need the developer options back again, then just tap 7 times on the OS version number as I've shown you before. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.